Hi, I'm Steven from the team at Slack. I'm going to show you how to send a message in a channel. Channels increase access to shared knowledge by allowing the people you work with to follow along with conversations that matter to them. For example, you could send a message in a channel to share an important project update, and everyone can see the same information. To start drafting a message, just click the Compose button and type your message. When you're all set, type the channel's name in the To field and hit Send. If you prefer, you can also browse for a channel first and then type and send your message. That's it. Check out our other videos or visit slack.com/help to learn more. Thanks for watching.